How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Open the TikTok application on your device first. Tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the settings and privacy option. Tap on that and scroll down to the bottom, and under support and about, you will see the option for report a problem. Tap on that and then tap on account and profile on the topics. Now, tap on the editing profile drop-down and then tap on enable to change username. TikTok will now give you the guideline regarding the problem. You will see the option for no. Tap on that and then on need more help. Here, add in your feedback and make sure to be more descriptive and informative while sending the feedback for quicker response. You can simply copy whatever I have written here. You can also add in screenshots and screen records of the problem as a proof. Tap on submit once you have typed in the feedback. Your feedback has been submitted to TikTok now. Wait for at least 24 hours for a reply from TikTok. Or if you don't want to go through this hassle, then you can launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on date and time. Toggle off the button for set automatically and now change the date to 7 days from today, since the application uses device's date to function. And once the date is changed, you can change your TikTok name without waiting for 7 days. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.